Mm. Good morning, baby. Huh? Oh. Oh, yeah. I slept really, really good. What about you, love? That's good. Huh? No, I'm not working today. That explains why we can just lay in bed and cuddle this morning. Listen to the rain. You work today? Oh, come on. You finally had a day for us and you have to work? Yeah, I know. But still, I would have liked just a day to hang out with you. Why don't you just skip and lay in bed with me today? Yeah, I know we need the money for rent and stuff like that. But, like, hear me out. Counter offer. Comfy bed and cuddles. Yeah, I know. I'm a temptress. Come on, baby. Come on back to bed. We can listen to the rain and just relax. Hmm? Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, my eyes are really heavy right now. That's why I want you next to me so we can just sleep. It's way too early for this. Yeah, yeah. You're gonna go. But baby, I wanna sleep with you still. Alright. Alright. I'll stop with trying to persuade you. You really wanna go in? Don't give me that look. This isn't a persuasion tactic. This is just me asking. I know. I'd much rather have you next to me, too. Alright. Let's get you going. Yeah, I'll get up. I want to see you off that way. It's still a relaxing and comfortable morning for us, okay? Perfect. I love you, baby. Let's get you over to work, okay? Okay.